Our journey into the cosmic ocean began with a small metallic sphere known as Sputnik. This humble satellite, no larger than a beach ball, marked the dawn of the space age when it was launched into orbit by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. Its steady beeping signal, broadcast to all the world, signaled not just the technological prowess of the Soviets, but the start of a new era of exploration and discovery. This was the first salvo of the space race, a competition fueled by technological rivalry and Cold War tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union. The world watched in awe and anticipation as the two superpowers vied for dominance, not just on Earth, but beyond the confines of our planet. The stakes were raised on April 12, 1961, when the Soviets achieved another monumental feat, putting the first human into space. This man was Yuri Gagarin, a name that would be etched in the annals of history. His single orbit of the Earth marked a significant milestone in human exploration and showcased the potential for mankind to reach beyond its earthly bounds. Not to be outdone, the United States responded with their own manned mission. On May 5, 1961, American astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space. His 15-minute suborbital flight aboard Freedom 7 was a beacon of hope and a testament to American ingenuity and resolve. These initial forays into space were fraught with danger and uncertainty, but they ignited a passion for exploration that continues to drive us today. They were the first steps in a journey that would take us to the moon and beyond, forever changing our perspective of our place in the universe. From the launch of Sputnik to the first humans in space, the dawn of space exploration was a time of intense competition, incredible innovation, and unprecedented discovery. It was a time when we took our first tentative steps into the cosmic ocean, pushing the boundaries of what was possible and daring to dream of what could be. This was just the beginning of humanity's grand voyage into the unknown. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These immortal words marked a new era in space exploration. With these words, astronaut Neil Armstrong forever etched July 20, 1969, in the annals of human history. This was the day when Apollo 11, the spaceflight that first landed humans on the moon, completed its mission. The Apollo missions were a series of audacious endeavors undertaken by NASA, the United States Space Agency, in the late 1960s and early 70s. Out of these, Apollo 11 stands out for its monumental achievement. Imagine the scene: the lunar module, aptly named Eagle, descends onto the moon's desolate surface. Inside, astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin prepare to step out into the unknown. Their colleague Michael Collins orbits above in the command module, ready to welcome them back. As Armstrong steps out and plants his foot on the lunar surface, he utters those iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This marked the first time a human being set foot on a celestial body other than Earth. The moon landing was not just a technological triumph, it was also a symbolic victory in the Cold War space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. But more than that, it was a testament to human courage and ingenuity. The significance of this event is hard to overstate. It paved the way for further space exploration and sparked a renewed interest in the sciences. It showed us that the boundaries of human achievement could be pushed further than we had ever imagined. The Apollo 11 mission lasted 8 days, but its impact has endured for over 5 decades. It has inspired countless individuals to dream big and look beyond our own planet. It has sparked scientific and technological innovations that have transformed our world. The moon landing was a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and the spirit of exploration. It was a moment that not only redefined our understanding of the universe, but also of ourselves. It showed us that with determination and collaboration, we can reach for the stars and actually touch them. The Space Shuttle Era ushered in a new age of technological advancements and international collaboration. As we journeyed beyond the moon landings, we entered into an era marked by the development of the Space Shuttle program. This was a time of incredible innovation and progress, where we saw not one but 5 reusable spacecrafts take to the skies. These shuttles, named Columbia, Challenger, Discovery, Atlantis, and Endeavour, pushed the boundaries of what we thought possible. The Space Shuttle was more than just a vehicle. It was a symbol of human achievement, showcasing our ability to not only dream of reaching the stars, but also to create machinery that could make it happen. Each shuttle was a marvel of engineering, capable of carrying a payload of up to 24,500 kilograms to low Earth orbit, and returning with up to 14,400 kilograms. But the shuttle era was not just about the machines. This period was also marked by significant missions that broadened our understanding of the cosmos. The deployment of the Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, allowed us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. The repair and maintenance missions to Hubble, carried out by astronauts in the harsh conditions of space, showcased not only our technological prowess but also the indomitable human spirit. During this era, international collaboration took a front seat. The Space Shuttle program played a vital role in the assembly of the International Space Station, a testament to global cooperation in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The shuttles carried components, equipment, and crews to the station, paving the way for an era of unprecedented international space collaboration. However, this era was not without its tragedies. The Challenger and Columbia disasters served as stark reminders of the risks involved in space exploration. But even these heartbreaking events didn't deter us. Instead, they fueled our resolve to learn, improve, and continue reaching for the stars. The Space Shuttle era marked a turning point in our journey to the stars. It was a time when we dared to dream bigger, reach further, and work together in our quest for knowledge. It was, without a doubt, an era that set the stage for the incredible advancements in space exploration that were yet to come. Imagine living and working in space. This became a reality with the construction of the International Space Station. The International Space Station, or the ISS, is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. Launched into orbit in 1998, the station was assembled piece by piece like a giant jigsaw puzzle in space by astronauts from around the globe. The ISS serves a dual purpose. It's not just a home where astronauts live and work. It's also a science lab. Around 240 miles above Earth, scientists conduct experiments that simply can't be done anywhere else. They study everything from human biology to astronomy, learning how life adapts to zero gravity and gazing out at the universe from a truly unique vantage point. Life on the ISS is a careful balance of work and play. Astronauts spend their days conducting research, maintaining equipment, and exercising to counteract the effects of living in zero gravity. But they also have time for some fun, whether it's watching movies, playing games, or even making music. The ISS is also a shining beacon of international cooperation. It's run by 5 space agencies representing 15 countries, proving that when it comes to exploring the final frontier, we're all on the same team. The ISS is a symbol of humanity's collective desire to explore and understand the cosmos. Our curiosity extends beyond human reach to the distant corners of our solar system, and for that, we have rovers and probes. In the silent expanse of the cosmos, these unmanned missions serve as our eyes and ears, tirelessly exploring the uncharted territories that lie beyond our grasp. Let's take a journey to Mars, where rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and more recently Perseverance have rolled across the red planet's surface. Their objectives? To search for signs of past life, study the Martian climate and geology, and collect samples for a potential return to Earth. Each discovery, each panoramic image, each soil sample contributes to our understanding of Mars and its potential to harbor life. But our curiosity doesn't stop at Mars. Voyager probes launched in the late 70s have ventured farther than any other human-made object. These intrepid explorers, originally tasked with studying the outer planets, are now in interstellar space, sending back invaluable data about this vast unknown region. And let's not forget the New Horizons probe, which gave us our first close-up view of Pluto and its moons, challenging what we thought we knew about these distant celestial bodies. Through these machines, we extend our senses to Mars and beyond, uncovering the secrets of the universe. The rovers and probes are our silent explorers, our spacefaring emissaries charting the unknown for the benefit of all humankind. They are a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. We stand at the threshold of a new era in space exploration. As we speak, plans are being forged for journeys to places untouched by human hands. Mars, our red neighbor, is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible target for colonization. Ambitious missions are under development, aiming to tread the Martian soil within the next few decades. But it's not just about government-led expeditions. The game has changed. Commercial space travel is taking off, with private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin democratizing the cosmos. Soon, a trip to space could be as commonplace as an overseas flight. And let's not forget the surge of new technologies, from reusable rockets to advanced robotics. These innovations are not only making space exploration more sustainable, but also broadening the horizons of what we can achieve. The future of space exploration holds unimaginable opportunities and challenges as we continue our quest to understand the universe. From Sputnik to Mars rovers, our journey into space represents the pinnacle of human achievement and curiosity. This odyssey, sparked by a thirst for knowledge and discovery, has transformed our understanding of the cosmos. With each milestone, from the first human in space to the exploration of distant planets, we've pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Our pursuit of the stars reflects our innate desire to explore, learn, and grow. As we gaze upon the stars, we are reminded of our small place in the grand cosmos and the infinite possibilities that await us.